Kind of Tortoise Capital with a trading lesson for May 26, 2026. This is a good problem to have. So, those of you that have been playing along with us on this semiconductor move had this opportunity today, an explosive 20% gain from the previous day's close on a position that was already loaded up and deep in the money. The context for this is that we identified the opportunity in semiconductors back here in April on the breakout. We added initial position, a second position on 2R, and at 4R, we retained 70% of the gains on that big adverse gap. 1, 2, 3 re-entry, second position on a new all-time high, third position on the breakout, retained 70% with that exit the following day when it couldn't make a new high and fell back to our entry on the third position. The next day was a big gap up and an all-time high, so we entered and squeezed a little bit out of there. Adverse gap once more. Wartime shenanigans. Huge pullback from 190 to 140. That's almost a 25% drop in the tech sector and semis. So when it crossed back above the moving RL10, re-entered the position, second position. Today was the 13% gap up at the open, added a third position, and then going into the close, about 30 minutes before the close, you've got this problem. So you've got about 10R in hand, a 3 position load, and you've got a lot of open profit, and you recognize how vulnerable this is to gaps. So what do you do on this kind of catastrophic success? We talk about that in the coaching program. We have a procedure for following our discipline rules. But this is the kind of work that you can perform when you are measuring opportunities across all the sectors and staying connected with us on a daily basis for sector analysis. We discussed all of these trades all the way through the past couple months and enjoying the ride. Take good care, keep your risk measured and your powder dry.